So Michael Barratt, Construction Advisory and Innovations Manager at Transport for London. TfL for 26 years, but I was doing other jobs in the transport before that. 30 years. I was a labourer. Got loads. I think getting an MBE is probably the highest, but getting some smiles from community members is the higher, if that makes sense. Upsetting a colleague. I think that was probably the career low, by not thinking what I was saying. Understand what professional development was. The corporate bubble, and that, I think, I'll probably get slaughtered for this, but that lack of going out to understand the outer world and people, how they react. Right, so my dad, right, he said to me, do not focus on money, focus on doing good stuff. And this is while he was on his way out with cancer. Just the people around me, I think. The career now, his name is Ian Malin, although he probably wouldn't say that. But yeah, Ian, he was my first ever, and probably last, that since, mentor. Diversity, so many different things to look at and get involved with. Probably like Chris, I'm shocking. Yeah, how do I go about it? I get told off. My mouth. So I'd like them to be more open and flexible. There's another word for that called considerate, but open and flexible with approach. If everyone was like that, it'd be nice.